Hi, everybody. I wanted to follow up with the second half of the week work, finishing up the summary response and working on our inference modules. So for today or tomorrow, you should have completed your rough draft of your response based on the three critiques that you found, the quote from the text, and your explanation. So now you're going to put it all together as one document, a summary response document that will be due on Monday or Tuesday. Okay, here's what your final should look like. This is the heading you should have. Your name, summary response, final draft, English 018, and the time that you have it. So Monday, Wednesday time, Tuesday, Thursday. Monday or Tuesday's date, and then you're going to copy and paste that bibliographic entry from Noodlebib as the fifth entry of your heading. Then you start your summary. You take it from the summary document, you create it, and wherever your summary ends, you immediately start then with your response. So it becomes one document, no extra spaces, nothing. Okay? So you're going to turn in one document that is a complete summary and response, multiple paragraphs, it'll probably be multiple pages, that has this heading. That is due Monday or Tuesday, whenever you have class. The second objective that you're going to be working on is working with inferencing. I have put in Blackboard under course information in the reading folder, inference folder, and inference packet. You do not have to print the packet out. You don't have to email me the packet. You're going to write on a piece of paper or type it in the body of an email if it's easier for you. Your answers to exercise 1, exercise 2, and exercise 3. You can just write them on a piece of paper or type them in a body of a paragraph or of an email. It's to practice inferencing. On that same piece of paper or that same email, okay, you are going to read pages 360 to 362 in your textbook and do exercise 12.1. And you can just write your answers either on the same piece of paper or in the same email. Okay, so it'll be the inference packet and the textbook in an email. That's due Monday or Tuesday, depending on when you have your class. Okay, so you should be working on your final draft of your summary response and the two inference activities, this inference packet and pages 360 to 362 with exercise 12.1. All right, don't forget I have office hours on Friday, so if you have questions, you definitely want to jump on, try to work it into your schedule for 5 minutes to come in and ask me the question. I have almost all of your cause or effect paragraphs graded, so I will be finishing up the last of those the rest of this week. All right, I hope you have a great day. I will talk to you soon.